Okay, so this is just a video to demonstrate that the Amiga 500 Plus that I'm putting on eBay is all working and fine. I've got it hooked up to a TV here. It's actually hooked up by a SCART, so I've got the audio cables going in there and the video going into the RF modulator there, and it plugs into the back of the SCART telly. Now if you try to use an Amiga on a regular TV with the regular RF out, it's not going to work because new TVs do not pick up the signal. It doesn't come shipped with this cable because I'm keeping it, I need it. You can buy a SCART, I believe, that goes straight into the back of the Amiga and straight into the TV, so I think you can just do away with the RF modulator altogether, or you can just do what I've done and put a SCART into there. Okay, so everything works. I'll just go through, I'll just demonstrate that this game's working on here. So at the moment we've got Prince of Persia, which is a backup copy. It's a cracked copy. So if you press the left mouse button, it's normal, and the right mouse button is a trainer. So that gives you more lives, etc., stuff like that. So I'll just click the right button. Most of the games, or a lot of the games that are coming with it, are originals. I'll go through those in a moment. I'm just demonstrating the Prince of Persia, which is one of my favourite games on the Amiga, or one of the best platform games there's ever been. Stop it. So I'm just waiting for that to load. It's just loading up now. Okay, so that's loaded. Okay, and there we go. So it all works, everything's fine. It comes with a joystick. The volume, everything's going through, sounds fine, as you can see. Excuse the mess because I'm clearing the house out at the moment. So I'll just start the game. As you can see, it's all working, it's fine. Okay. It's all the way around, so okay, so that's all working, just to demonstrate that. Okay, so it comes with the joystick, which is stuck to this wooden, or this piece of wood really. It's going to come with that because it's glued to the bottom of that, and that's not coming off of there in a hurry, and it's just a good thing to have it on. The actual unit itself is a bit, it's yellowed a little bit, but considering the age, it's the only thing that I've ever owned that I've paid credit on. I paid about £400 for this back in the day, 1990 something, I forget now. So it's been well looked after. It's been stored for some years. It hasn't been used very often. It comes out on special occasions, birthdays and bar mitzvahs, as they say. But generally it's in good condition, as you can see. Okay, so it comes with a load of games. Some of these are copies, some of these are backups. There's Lemmings in there. Some of the, I've been through it. Some of the discs, some of the games aren't complete, so you might find there's kind of, I don't know, 6 or 7 discs for one game, and one disc is missing. Super Space Invaders, that's complete. Most of the games are complete. Most of the backups are complete. Space Ace, that's complete. There's a load more backups in this bag here. There's some demo discs, stuff like that. It's just generally backups or demos in there. Some originals as well. The box games, A Sensible Soccer, that's complete. We've got Brian the Lion. Just open that up. That comes with the booklet, which is in good condition, and the discs, so that's fine. That's an original game. It comes with the second disc drive. This is a bit temperamental. When I first powered the unit up, it didn't work, and then it powered up and it did work. It's a common fault with these. They're quite temperamental. It seems once it's settled in, it tends to work. but really, that I mean, I'm being honest with you, that there was a problem with them, but it does generally work okay. We've got Premium Manager 2, which I believe is complete. Let's just open that up. This 2 yeah, it comes with the protection and the booklet, and that's all fine. We've got James Pond, that's fine, that's complete. And we've got The Simpsons, which is, it's got the instructions and the disc, so that's fine. That's pretty much it really. So it'll be going on eBay, and it will link to this video. If you've got any questions, then ask me. I think that is everything. It's just running the demo now on the Prince of Persia, so I'll just leave it on there for a couple of moments, and then I'll bid you farewell. Okay, thanks for looking. Thanks, bye bye.